What's up, guys? So my plan for this video is we're gonna start stripping that back part, and I think I'm gonna chop it up, chop the back of the car. I have over fenders. I'm not sure if this the trunk lid is gonna work, and I'm eating string cheese. And we also need to fix what was broken. I don't know if it was the differential or the axles, but we need to get this car ready for the next event, which is in either 20 days or a month. So I don't know. We might have a new event coming up. So yeah, let's just start taking that thing out of the whatever is left from the back bumper. Oh, and before I proceed, the idea would be to chop this here, all of this, all the back part, because it's twisted. I'm gonna show you in a minute when I take all of this out of there, but everything twisted that way a little bit. It's funny, I'm making the video with the string cheese in my hands. And you guys string cheese like this, don't buy it like this. No, not good. There you go. So you can see this was supposed to be aligned, and now is that way, and so is this one. Look at that. This means that this is all wrong. So I'm not sure. So I have that a little tool that pushes it. Battery also I think is doomed, so I need to unscrew this and take it out of there. So ideally I might leave that part because the fuel tank is there, and I might cut this all and this part. I don't need that, I guess. All of this, cut it off. I don't need any of that crap. And I'm gonna put my over fender here, which is a part like that, and yeah, it goes all the way from here all the way down and down. So I guess car is gonna be way lighter, and yeah, this is gonna be all out of the way. So yeah, this is one I could maybe try to straighten out, but look, even here it's not straight anymore. So I don't yeah, I don't even know, like, I don't even know what I'm doing, but yeah, it's another challenge, and yeah, come with me, we're gonna do it together. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to free up the battery. Alright, battery's out. I needed to cut a bunch in there, but look. So this came from the crash, and of course I cut it by accident. I was wondering, would this work as a core battery when I buy a new one? Alright, neighbor is doing the lawn, so I'm gonna come back inside here, and then we're gonna talk. So what I plan to do is I'm gonna cut the center first, not the outside yet, because I'm gonna try to keep this aesthetics. Never said that word in English, but I tried to hammer it back in place. It doesn't look too bad, but it's still too high. I'm not sure if I'll be able to make this go down. So what I'm gonna do is I will need to cut this here. It would be cool to keep all of this, because then I can carry my jack and all that stuff when I go to the drifting events, but it is what it is. I'm about to cut this here. It's going to open up this and make a little softer. I might need to cut that. Alright, so I think I'm kind of done. I took the two, I don't know how this is called, the support or whatever that is, super hard, of course, and I'm gonna try now to get this side here to kind of align. So I'm gonna try to push that down with this thing here, and hopefully this is gonna work. So yeah, let's do it. Almost there, guys. Look, getting there. Right, this is how it looks like now. Kinda there. This is still need to come out a little more, which is easy. I can use that tool, so I'm gonna do that. And I believe that needs to go in, but I'm not quite sure, so I'm gonna wait to pull that one out, and let's see again. Alright guys, this is done. It is shutting, as you see, and still, I mean, it is far from being aligned because the whole thing is twisted. So I'm going to put the body, the over fender anyway, so which is going to hide this side. It's going to have some in here, but it's going to hide this side too. That's going to be a different video. I'm just going to put some of this stuff away because look, and more here. And I'm going to start that video, which shouldn't take long. I just need to cut the hole for the gas tank, and right here, and it should be good to go. Just start drilling and putting the how those rivets, nut rivets, rivet nuts, this thing's here, and then I can just screw with an Allen wrench, and it's gonna be good to go. So don't miss the next episode. There's one more thing I need to do, which is the bumper, but I'm gonna do something like simple. If I hit, the bumper falls off, and that's gonna be the way to go. Yeah, so thanks for watching, thanks for hanging tight. I have another drifting event in, I think it's either 20 days or a month, so I need to get a differential for this car, and we're good to roll. Thanks for watching again, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and catch you later.
Look past my face. Si status, amiris a McDonald's.